Hi everyone, now Friday 3 p.m. and I planning go to Fields Avenue and filming for you, but now I want to buy water, bottle water. Oh, look at Shira sleep right now because she all night play with phone or do it something, I don't know. But first I need to buy water and going to Angeles City. I will walk to Angeles City from Mabalacat from Dow. Near Dow bus terminal I will park car and walk. Today I want to extend my visa for 1 month because I'm not planning during 1 month to China. That's why I need to extend my visa. Today we painting our bedroom because need to renovate already 8 years. We built this house and not update paint. How many years? About maybe 8 years already. 8 years. 8 years and before paint colors is, but now yellow. Oh, temperature now 29. Cat waiting for me. This is our barangay Camachiles. I will buy water and already people prepare for holiday. Holy Week. Drive, be careful because many children here. In the Philippines so many children everywhere. This is Anzon's water. Usually we bought water here. Good afternoon. You can buy here ice cream, also crackers. Every barangay have the same. Water also. And also with delivery. Look, delivery. Maybe already 8 years I live here and I always buy water here. In the Philippines already hot season. That's why. So daytime is 35, 33, 35. But nighttime still comfortable 26, 27. But soon also nighttime maybe 30. So start hot season in the Philippines. Water it's only 20 peso, total 40 peso. In our place it's not wide road, always narrow. Many car park side of the road, and sometimes not easy to drive. And sometimes they block the road and not easy. Take a look here. Always like this. Sometimes they park car two side and not easy to drive. Of course, people don't like who live in Fiesta Dao, because it's road for our place, for Camachilis residents. But most of the Fiesta residents use this road because they don't have own road. They use only our road. That's why traffic sometimes here. I just remove bottle from the car and go to Angeles. Just put here. Okay. So now I already go to Angeles City. I will walk to Angeles City from down. Take a look, diesel already 117 peso. Unleaded 92. I take for 85 1 week ago. Neodao still have traffic. Even expensive fuel. So I park car in the Pure Gold parking, going to Angeles City right now. Mortgage, change oil, have discount also. Friday not so many cars. Usually Friday this time many cars and traffic. Jeepney empty. Passport or extension. I already pay for extension. It's 2,930 peso for 1 month. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.